Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Android phone on black screen by following these simple steps. So let's get started. Very first thing is make sure that your Android phone is actually charged. Sometimes the cable itself might be broken, damaged, and it might not actually be charging your phone and it's just completely dead. So try charging or changing out the cable. And then you can also do a wireless charge pad. If you have a wireless one, just let it charge for half an hour. Make sure it actually charges and shows up the charging itself. Also check to make sure there's no dust, lint, or anything blocking the charge port. Now, after you know that it's been actually charged, there's no other issues, you're going to go ahead and follow this step. You're going to press and hold this power side button and then the volume down button too at the same time until you see something come up on the screen, and then let go. Some Android phone you require volume up, and this side button you're just going to keep on holding until you can get something on the screen, and that's going to go ahead and turn it on. So try both of them once. Sometimes it may be a combination of both volume up and down and the side button, but essentially with these buttons pressing and holding, the longer you hold until you can get something on the screen, should go ahead and fix that black screen issue, and your phone should be working again like normal. Now, if you get the vibrations and stuff and still a black screen, it could be potentially an issue with the actual screen display itself. In that case, you might have to get it replaced. But go ahead and try this method. It is safe. It will not delete any of your data. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.